Hi students, today we will see about FinTech application demo. So here we are going to see some app in digital payments. So one such app is Google Pay. So in Google Pay we are able to do the transactions, online transactions. We will see the step-by-step process of installing, logging in and usage of Gpay. So first step is to install and log in. You can search the app in the Play Store and you can install it. Use your mobile number as a registration. OTP will be appearing on the on your mobile number. Then use that OTP and log in inside that. You can set your UPI pin. So UPI pin is used for authentication. So authentication means whether the user is a verified one. So that is actually done by means of checking the PIN numbers. Also here there is a two-way authentication. First checking of the UPI PIN, and also while doing payments also there is a PIN number that should be used for the transaction, or it can be also a biometrics. After installing and logging in, the first screen you will be able to see that is the home dashboard. Here you can be able to see the account balance. Then you can see the options like pay, scan, QR code, bank transfer. So pay anyone. So actually it will show pay anyone. You can use the number or you can use the contact, anything that can be made. Even the person who you have not saved in the mobile, you can put their numbers and you can pay, and you can scan the QR codes for payment, or it can be a bank transfer. Bank transfer means the IFSC code and the bank account number has to be given. Then you could see the offers and rewards. What are the offers while doing making the payments, and what are the rewards that will be got after making the payment. So making a payment, so you can scan and pay using the QR code, or you can enter the UPI ID. So UPI ID mostly you will be linking it with your bank account. So then you can enter the amount and you use the pin, UPI pin, to make the payment. So after making the payment, there is actually a transaction confirmation message. A tick mark will appear, payment success message. So transaction ID is generated for that kind of transaction made. So that ID is actually to be referred for any future use. So if the transaction is not proper, you can code that transaction ID and you can mail to Gpay. And here you have the instant notification. Immediately after transfer you will get the notification. You can also see the transaction history, what are your past payments previous month. You can filter it by means of using the date and who has received it. You can also use the download receipt. Usually this download receipt is actually used for claiming the bills. If you are going to go and then go make the payment, and then if you want to climb back you can use the download receipt and you can make the climb. And security and backend working, if you see, this is actually the encrypted UPI transactions. That is encryption in the sense meaning that is actually key is generated and then actually the encryption is done. And here bank-to-bank settlements is actually made, and two-factor authentication, as I previously explained, that UPI pin, also one more pin will be accessed will be asked for transfer of the money. Conclusion, so that is the fintech, this enables a faster, secure and also cashless payments. Here we don't use the money, that is only the digital payment transaction in the form of numbers, that is actually the amount is transferred in the digital form, and then it is very secure because of the authentication and also encryption, and this is in a faster manner. And here you can see some of the interactions in the previous slides, all those things, transactions and histories, everything. Thank you.